Welcome back to MotoMotion. Today we're diving deep into one of the most exciting and futuristic electric crossover bikes making headlines right now, the Ultraviolette X47 crossover. This is not just a motorcycle, it's a glimpse into the future of electric mobility. Let's explore its full features in detail. Starting with the design, the Ultraviolette X47 carries a sharp and aggressive stance. Its LED headlamps, aerodynamic body panels, and muscular crossover styling give it a premium road presence. The upright riding position makes it comfortable for long rides, while still keeping a sporty appeal. Moving on to the powertrain, this crossover is equipped with a high-performance electric motor that delivers instant torque and lightning-fast acceleration. Unlike traditional bikes, there's no lag, just pure electric punch from the word go. It also supports multiple riding modes, allowing riders to switch between eco, city, and sport settings depending on their needs. One of the standout features of the X47 is its radar-based safety technology. This advanced system helps detect obstacles and improves rider awareness, giving you an extra layer of confidence on the road. Safety has clearly been made a top priority here. In terms of battery and range, Ultraviolette has designed the X47 with a large capacity pack that promises impressive mileage on a single charge. With fast charging support, you can top up quickly and get back on the road without long waiting times. Suspension and ride quality are tuned for versatility. The front USD forks and rear monoshock provide a balance of comfort and control, whether you're handling city traffic, smooth highways, or even rougher patches of road. The bike also comes equipped with high-performance disc brakes with ABS, ensuring sharp stopping power and stability in all conditions. Wide tires further add grip and handling confidence. On the technology side, you get a fully digital TFT display with smartphone connectivity, navigation support, and riding statistics. Ultraviolette has also integrated smart connectivity features, so riders can monitor battery health, performance data, and even receive updates via their phones. Ultraviolette's focus has always been on premium electric motorcycles, and the X47 represents the next chapter in that journey, blending power, technology, and futuristic design in one package. If you enjoyed this feature breakdown, make sure to like the video, share it with your fellow riders, and subscribe to MotoMotion for more exciting updates from the world of motorcycles.